More than 100 motorists trapped on a highway in heavy snow. Dozens have been rescued at this hour, but there are more still awaiting help. A car accident led to major delays during a winter storm. By the time the accident was cleared, many cars were unable to get out thanks to a foot of new snow. I want to bring in San Bernardino County Fire Chief Mark Hartwig to give us the latest on rescue efforts. He joins us on the phone. Good morning, Chief.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. You've had a very, very busy night. So you say 25 people in one group have been rescued, another 50 people in another group. We're looking at a map right now and some video of just what the conditions are. Tell us how you're getting them out.
Yeah, so we used on the Crestline side, the Lake Arrowhead side, of one of our mountain ranges, we used the snowcats. We have a fleet of snowcats for our mountain resort communities, and we brought them down to some lower elevations, and we took some stranded motorists on the Lake Arrowhead side to Crestline First Baptist Church, where they'll be sheltered overnight. And then on the other side, our LA County side, and at the Mount Baldy area, we took 40 occupants. Mount Baldy Road was closed and impassable, so we took them by crew buggy, a vehicle we use to transport our fire crew members up to Mount Baldy Lodge, and they'll be spending the night there until the morning.
What are, it gives you new meaning to a ski vacation, doesn't it, when you can't even get there, when the skis you're on happen to be in your car. Tell me about the condition of the people who you're rescuing.
They're in good spirits. We had, on both sides, we had motorists who were prepared and decided to stay with their vehicles. But as I said, a number of them, about 40 on the Mount Baldy side, the LA County line side, and then closer to 50 on the Lake Arrowhead side, chose to take us up on our offer to transport them to a warm location and some food and coffee, and they'll be staying the night there.
Happy New Year, I guess, to all of them. Much better than spending the night in your car. What are you advising people who are trying to drive in the area? I know it's an Arctic snow mass and a lot of wind that have come together to cause this system. What are you telling people who might be on the road?
Well, we always tell people here in our mountain communities, especially during the winter, to drive prepared, and that is to not only have a full tank of gas, but then to have food and clothing, warm clothing in your vehicles. This was especially odd for us. This is, we're used to snow in our communities, our mountain communities here, especially our resort communities, but snow level got all the way down to 1,000 feet here, so really these right above the valley areas, our Inland Empire and San Gabriel Valley areas received, like you said, up to 12 inches of snow. So it was odd for us. And then most people just went up for a day of skiing. Roads were good in the morning, and then they got caught and ill prepared to come back down the hill.